Hello, and welcome back to our Daily Phrases series. Today we're looking at the phrase, "The ball is in your court." Let's explore what it means. Meaning of the phrase. To say the ball is in your court means it's someone else's turn to make a decision or take the next step in a situation. Mention its origin. This phrase comes from tennis, where the ball being in your court means it's your turn to hit it back. The ball is in your court. The ball is in your court. The ball is in your court. Use in a sentence. For example, I've given you my opinion. Now the ball is in your court. We've made our best offer. The ball is in your court now. If you want to pursue this relationship, the ball is in your court. I've completed my part of the project. The ball is in your court to finish it. You know what you need to do to improve your health. The ball is in your court. Try to create your own sentence using "the ball is in your court." Let's see how creative you can get. Share your sentences in the comments. I'm looking forward to reading them. You're doing great with these phrases. Join me again for more fun and learning. See you next time.